All right, Mahendra, I decided to take this opportunity to take your challenge on and try to create a reproducible problem. I think I've got one. We'll see here. I'm going to go into, whoops, wrong project. Just a simple project here. It's our test project we use all the time. And I'm going to go to current construction drawings. And I'm just going to open up A121 here and back up. Open it again, back up. This takes about 10 viewings usually. Now, one of the things that you notice it keeps fetching download details and pulling the offline documents every time it displays those things. When I went to the offline mode, it failed just as well, but it was a lot faster. You can see, I don't know what it's doing there. We've opened this thing so many times, you would think that it wouldn't need to do that. But sooner or later, what's going to happen there is going to go blank and it won't display. And then after that, we get all kinds of weird behavior. There you go, blank. Same drawing, it loaded 15 times before. It got to be a memory leak. That now it's rock solid. It won't view for. Oh, I lied. There's blank again. So maybe there's some memory cleanup or something. If I do view original, here's the other thing. I get not downloaded every time. So that's a problem as well. So okay. So you can see that clearly should be local. It doesn't seem to know about it, or it can't view it anymore. If I go to another file, like the 205 here, same situation. That one is there supposedly. I'm online. It shows the thumbnail, but now it won't view it. So, okay, now let's do one other thing you requested, just to be sure I agree with you. 32. So there's one, hopefully that you can take a look at. But this is the kind of stuff we're seeing, that it looks great when you do a 30-second demo, but if you really start to hammer on the system, and I would be willing to get, so now I start getting all kinds of weird behavior. If I go to some of these other projects, here's where I start seeing things like there's Hobo's Backyard, there's no files there. Let's go to this one and see if some of these do the same thing. It becomes very, I think, indeterminate at this point. Yeah, so there it didn't open. You saw it start to do it, came up, looked like it was doing it. Now if I do it, sometimes it'll view, sometimes not. So my guess is there's some kind of memory leak or the control loading problem or something. And you can see it didn't view. Now if I double tap it again, now it's blank. So this is the kind of stuff that you can imagine. If you watch the first 30 seconds of my demo, everything looked great, but now this thing's completely useless. And if I kill it, sure enough, everything will be back to Doug's Doghouse. There's our 121. View's fine. But if I keep going, it'll eventually fail. Again, I don't know why it's taken that time to do that. Again, I'm not really pleased with the idea of downloading the original every time I open. I think this is a bad idea, and we need to talk about that too. And this may be causing some of the problem, but see there again, it's just what it's doing. I have no idea, because I just double tapped on 121 and I expect that it's already local because I viewed it 5 times. Yet, well, let's just sit here and see what happens. Notice there's no cancel button there either, so there's nothing I can do except for end the app. Anyways, this is the kind of stuff I'm talking about. See, again, so this is, I think they're all tied together. There's something going on with the app that it becomes unstable the more you use it, and you run into situations like this where, okay, now it came back. Now what took so long? And there it is, and now it's viewing again. So I don't know whether that thing crashed in the background and now it's good again, or what's going on, but you can imagine a user would have given up and probably ended the task or tried to move on or done, had something negative to say about that. So I don't know if that helps you. Hopefully you saw what was going on there, and I'm going to keep going here to see if I can recreate it. Maybe it fixed itself. I doubt that, but see it starts to slow down a little bit too. There we go. Voila. Okay. I just want to make sure I got that to you. See you later. Bye.